Akiaria hindi ya Kigomano kia honge cia andu kiumbe bururi-ini na kiria kiratabaneirio kaunti-ini ya Kisumu, President wa ngwataniro ya wonjoria na iganda bururi-ini KNCCI Richard Ngatia niathingatite aigithia kuuma honge cia andu kiumbe gwitikira kunyitirira onjoria anini niguo kumahotithia gwikuria na gukuria biashara ciao.
Multi-stakeholder dialogue such as this one will go a long way in supporting national strategies for universal access to wash. Most importantly, the project will support MSMEs by exploiting local knowledge and skills and building functional capacities for service provision.
Thini wa Kigomano giki na kiria kiratabanetio nyitaniri-ini na gikundi kia USAID, Ngatia arahinyiriirie bata wa kunyitirira iheo na uthunduri wa onjoria ya anini. Aingĩ ao aria mathiĩte na mbere kwĩyumĩria honge-inĩ itiganĩte.
And MSMEs that own us as members and through associations are over 2 million that we support. So there's a huge location that we seek Your Excellency governors to support this location, support SMEs also as well, not forgetting startups who are really looking at pulling up the innovation with new technology and how we can be able as the chamber to support them on intellectual property as well.
Kigomano giki kirahariirio ni ruhonge rwa USAID itanya-ini ria gukinyaniria tabarĩra ya utambia wa maĩ matheru, undu umwe na utheru wa atumia wa kahinda ka mweri, undu uria Ngatia eranĩire gutongoria aigithia ruhonge-ini rwa andu kiumbe kunyitirira nginya ikinyanire.
We call upon all financial institutions who are members and development partners to support this location through credit and guarantees, marketing support, training and skill enhancement for market preparedness to plug into the wash of value chains, not only in this region of the 8 blocks, but we are looking at nationally supporting this location. We are looking beyond the region.
Akirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunyam.